Electric vehicles, or EVs, are now slowly emerging in our streets, including cars, transit buses, trucks of all sizes, and the most common, our electric jeeps and tricycles. But how is it really different from conventional vehicles? Instead of an internal combustion engine that runs on fuel, like gasoline or diesel, an electric vehicle is one that operates on an electric motor. They are designed to lessen the emission of exhaust by using electricity. Although EVs are twice or even thrice more efficient than the conventional type of vehicles, the quality of the air they bring relies on the generation sources on the power grid operated to charge them. A study found in China states that 2 to 5 times more smog is produced by EVs than the gas-powered one, a result of the country's dependence on coal-fired grids. Recognizing this issue, the majority of the utilities, auto manufacturers, EV charging providers across the United States have been planning out programs to allow and serve commercial, residential, and even industrial customers to utilize renewable energy sources to generate electricity at home or from the various charging stations for their EVs. Charging an electric vehicle with our own solar energy system is a great idea. But how does it work? Solar panels can be easily installed on the roofs of our house or on the garage. They are possible to be positioned with various orientations and inclinations. Once the system is already installed, we can now begin to produce our own clean solar power and utilize it in our home. Most importantly, we can directly charge our EVs with a wall box. A wall box refers to the physical system that provides electrical power to the vehicle plugged in by a cable. It also measures energy consumption. These emerging ways to partner electric vehicles and renewable energy in the US are very admirable. In network charging, consumers can have access to a network of stations that is generated with renewable sources to charge their EVs. A program called Plug-in Everywhere Network was also developed, where customers are permitted to get 100% of their charging electricity from wind. Through paying a reasonable amount, unlimited access is granted to charge the EVs to different network stations. For regulated or managed charging systems, in return for lower charging rates, customers usually decide to delay charging for up to an hour per day, in a pilot program called Charge Forward, made by Pacific Gas and Electric and BMW in April 2018. This is to better comply with available renewable energy. Charging of EVs with on-site renewable energy is generally through co-locating EVs with on-site solar energy systems. When not in use, this solar energy can be stored in a battery. In the Philippines, since we have numerous waterfalls and volcanoes, we can make use of these spots to transform hydro and geothermal energy into electricity. The Philippines has just started to fully embrace electric vehicles, and there are still a lot of things to learn and improve. Reformations with regards to operations and regulations, policies that would further protect the environment, and implementing market development strategies. We can always welcome good techniques from other nations and eliminate practices that are not. Electric vehicles integrated with renewable energy sources is our way to become a sustainable community. Here are my references. That would be all. Thank you.